Let's have a look at how to record audio on Mac from the internet completely for free. First of all, on Mac, to get this done, you actually need some third-party software, because your Mac cannot do this natively. However, there's no need to worry, you can simply use the free version of LitLink, which is a virtual audio driver to get the job done. The whole setup takes you about 2 minutes and you're good to go. So let's dive right into it. First of all, you want to come over to litpads.app/litlink and then click here on download free. Once downloaded, install the package and open LitLink up. You will end up here on this lovely interface. Now to record audio on your Mac from the internet completely for free, in LitLink make sure that System Audio Passthrough here is toggled on. This will automatically create everything that is necessary for you to record from the internet. In my case here, I also have mic pass-through toggled on, but that's only because I'm now recording this video right here. So if you just want to record audio from the internet without anything else, then all you actually need is System Audio Passthrough toggled on right here. With that said, we are now already ready to record. So to do that, on the left side, we come here to where it says recording, and then we just click here on this record button. Now just play whatever audio you want from the internet, for example from YouTube right here. Or sounds from a soundboard, for example. Oh my God! And all that is actually now recorded. To stop the recording, go back to LitLink and click on stop. Finally, give your recording a name and click on save. And that's it. Here's your new recording. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to smash the like button and subscribe to my channel. Have a good one. Bye.